Hey everyone, it's Kyle at Prolux. We have been receiving emails from our customers along with returns regarding the Prolux Storm carpet and tile shampooer. So in today's video, I want to give you a quick breakdown of how to set it up and use it for the E-Series 1-speed, E2 Gold, and E2 Blue. Hope you guys find this video informative, and I hope it clears up any confusion you may have. So that being said, let's get started. Alright, so I just want to show you guys how to find the correct model of Storm for your rainbow vacuum cleaner. So go ahead and open your web browser of choice, and at the search bar type in www.proluxcleaners.com. Once the home page opens, go up to the search bar and type in Storm. And then from here, just find your model of rainbow, whether it's E2 Black, D4 SCPN2, or E-Series 1 and 2 speed. So this is going to be for the E-Series, the E2 Gold, and the E2 Blue. Click on the correct model of rainbow that you own, add it to cart, and continue through the checkout process. So once you receive the box, you're going to want to go ahead and cut open the tape and open the flaps. And inside you're going to find this cardboard cover. You're going to find the instruction manual. So if you guys have any questions or concerns or need any extra help, please refer to this. This covers everything I'm going to cover in today's video. And then there can be some other parts in here. So you're going to have the carpet solution. You're going to have the hose handle for the wand. You're going to have the wand itself. It's also extendable. And you're going to have the Prolux Storm itself. Alright, so we're going to start off by attaching the main extendable wand to the Storm itself. So go ahead and grab the wand and insert it into the Storm's pivot. Push it down. You'll hear it click. When you hear it click, you know it's locked in. Alright, and then next we're going to take the power cord from the Prolux Storm and we're going to feed it into this black color piece at the top of the wand. And when you slide it through, just clip the cord into the cord clips. And then you're going to take the main handle and then you're going to attach it to the upper wand portion. You may have to release the button lock so it inserts into the wand all the way. Just like that, you have the Storm assembled. So now we're going to set it up to your rainbow. Alright, so now that we have the Prolux Storm assembled, you're going to want to grab your canister and the tool hose. Make sure it's the tool hose and not the main electrical hose that powers the power head. So with that being said, you're going to grab the tool wand portion of the tool hose and you're going to plug this into the handle portion on the Prolux Storm. Then you're going to take the other end and connect this to the canister. Then take the power cord from the handle and plug it into the canister also. Then if you want to clean up all this extra slack from the power cord for the handle, you can either use zip ties or if you have Velcro straps, you can use those as well. So just doing this will clean up the look of the hose and the cord and keep it out of the way while you're using the Prolux Storm. So once again, you can either use zip ties or you can use the Velcro straps. We got these off Amazon. It was like 10 bucks for 50 of them. So now that we got the cord all cleaned up, I'm going to show you how to use it on carpet or rug along with hard floor surfaces and tile. Alright, so before I add the water and solution to the tank, there is some things I want to go over on the underside of the tank. So right here, it gives you instructions for how much solution to add. So it says 1 lid full of shampoo solution per tank of water for light shampooing, and 2 lids full of solution for dirtier carpet. And then on the right side just has some recommendations for when you're storing the unit. So it says, before storing the unit, empty the tank of solution and allow water only to be sprayed by the shampooer for 5 seconds. Make sure tank is empty before storage. This right here, if you do it, it prevents the solution water causing any clogs in the system, because it can kind of create that calcium substance. So make sure you follow the instructions on storing the unit to ensure that your product is working properly. So I'm going to go fill this up with water, and then I'll add the solution. You can use the solution that's included with the Storm, or if you have your own solution or a different brand you prefer, it doesn't really matter. But just make sure you follow the instructions when adding the solution. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to turn everything on. Just a quick note, the wand is extendable, so whether you're a small or tall person, you can adjust the wand to a height that's comfortable for you. So there's going to be this black button, push it down and pull up, and adjust it to your liking. And then if you haven't done so already, go ahead and plug your vacuum in. And there's going to be this red power switch on the hose handle. If you flip it back, it's off, and if you push it forward, it's on. So I'm going to go ahead and flip it forward, and then I'm going to turn the canister on, and then once you turn the canister on, the Prolux Storm will turn on. Alright, so after you're done shampooing the area, you're going to want to fill the carpet or rug. And if you notice that the area that you just shampooed is soaking wet, I'm going to give you a tip to suck up all the excess water and solution. So what you need to do is turn the vacuum on, but then turn this power switch on the Prolux Storm hose handle off. That way it's not dispensing water or solution, and it'll actually suck up all the excess water deep down into the fabric. So I'm going to show you that now. So I'm just going to turn the canister on, but I'm going to leave the switch on the hose handle off. Go ahead and just give it a good pat, and it's much less damp and wet. So just remember that if you feel your carpet or the area you just shampooed and it's more wet than normal, go ahead and just go over the area again, but with the Storm off. It'll suck up all the excess water and solution, and it'll feel normal just like any other carpet shampooer. So I mentioned earlier in the video that this is also a hard floor and tile scrubber. So what you need to do for this application is locate this button on the back right corner of the Storm, and you're going to have two different pictures. So if you have the button pressed in, it's going to dispense more water and solution. But if you press the button and have it out, it's going to dispense less water and solution. So depending on your application, if you want more water or less water, go ahead and click this button so it's down, or click it so it's up. Alright, so before I end this video, I just wanted to show you guys how dirty the water is from just shampooing the sections that you saw in this video.
So as you can see through the clear water bowl, it is pretty much like a dark brown grayish color. And that's just from shampooing that small section on the rug and then going on to the hardwood floor for a couple of passes. So the Prolux Storm is really effective in what it does as long as it's set up and used properly.
Alright, that's going to be it for this quick breakdown on the Prolux Storm made to fit Rainbow Eseries 1-speed, E2 Gold, and E2 Blue. Hope you guys found it informative, and I hope it clears up any confusion you may have when it comes up to assembly or how to use it. But if you do have any additional questions or concerns, you can leave a comment down in the comment section below. You can refer back to the owner's manual. Everything I covered can be found in there. Or you're more than welcome to send us an email at service@proluxcleaners.com. I'm Kyle Prolux. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.